Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're working on a Craftsman pressure washer and trying to reconnect the governor springs to the carburetor, it can feel tricky because even a small mistake can affect engine speed and performance. Many users get confused about where each spring goes or how tight it should be, which can lead to the engine revving too high or not running smoothly at all. The governor system is designed to control engine speed automatically, so correct spring placement is very important. The best thing is that once you understand the connection points and follow the right method, you can set it up properly and get your pressure washer running like normal again. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the engine and disconnect the spark plug for safety. Step 2. Locate the governor arm and carburetor throttle linkage. Step 3. Attach the main governor spring from the governor arm to the throttle control plate. Step 4. Connect the secondary spring if present to the correct small hole. Step 5. Ensure springs are secure and not overstretched or loose. Step 6. Reconnect spark plug, start engine, and check for smooth throttle response.